Professor Pata calling from my bathtub, where I usually talk to you from. I was calling because I wanted to talk to you today about something really, really important. I want to talk to you about hot tubs. Yeah, hot tubs. I really like them. I want one. I really, really want one. I want a hot tub. It will be like warm and wet and kind of like this one, but so much better than this one. Oh yeah, I want a hot tub so bad, but then, I want a hot tub, but also, do I want a hot tub? I don't think I want a hot tub. I want a hot tub, but I don't think I want a hot tub. Yeah,